everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, taking you through our May Storyteller Kit. So we're almost halfway through the year. Let me open up the kit and show you what's inside. Maria has done an amazing job again this month. And let me show you the layouts first. So again, it is a beautiful double page that goes together so well. And this month we have got the four photos on there. So it's a little mixture of some of the Bushland Boutique and the Into the Wild. And Maria did a little sneaky thing. So when we give her these, we give her a certain amount of things. She decided that she actually wanted some of the fussy cut stuff from here. So see how she's cut it in half here? When you turn it over, you can see how she snuck out some of the back so she could fussy cut. Same with this one. She wanted that half at the top, and she snuck a few out of there, and she's used them to create these beautiful little clusters where she's fed the little embellishments in. So Maria is very clever indeedy. So in your kit, you are getting some of the little blingy blings, a whole bunch of white flowers, a whole packet of our alphabet. Of course, you've got your instructions, which has got the big pictures in the front, and all of your written instructions and all of the fantastic photos, like lots and lots of photos in there. You're getting a sheet of our burlap. This one is called Bush Flowers. It's the back. Native Garden. The back. Big Adventure. Almost out of this one now. And we are out of this one. The Wild Things Fussy Cuts. 2 sheets of that in there as well. So this is the May Storyteller Kit, and it is now available up on our website. And if you're a subscriber, you can add this onto your kit to guaranteed you get one, and you get it at a discounted price of being a subscriber. Thanks again, guys. Bye.